This dish is a feast for the eyes, with glistening slices of fresh fish, vibrant vegetables, and delicate garnishes creating a stunning mosaic of colors and textures. Chirashi don holds a special place in Japanese culture. It is often served on celebratory occasions like birthdays and festivals, signifying abundance and good fortune. Chef Aiko as Chef Aiko. The act of preparing chirashi don is itself a celebration of culinary tradition, demanding precision, respect for ingredients, and an eye for aesthetic harmony. Each element, from the carefully seasoned rice to the freshest cuts of sashimi, contributes to the overall symphony of flavors and textures. The beauty of chirashi don lies not just in its visual appeal but also in its versatility. It allows for endless creativity, with chefs and home cooks alike free to personalize their creations based on seasonal ingredients and personal preferences. This freedom of expression makes every chirashi don unique, a testament to the individual who crafted it. Ultimately, chirashi don embodies the essence of Japanese cuisine, a harmonious balance of flavor, texture, and aesthetics. It invites us to appreciate the simplicity of fresh ingredients while celebrating the art of meticulous preparation. The process begins with selecting the right type of rice, typically a short-grain Japanese variety known for its sticky texture. The rice is then washed and cooked, traditionally in a heavy-bottomed pot called a hagama, although rice cookers are commonly used today. Chef Pierre as Chef Pierre. Once cooked, the rice is gently mixed with a seasoned vinegar blend. This blend, typically made with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, is crucial in imparting the characteristic sweet and tangy flavor to sushi rice. The mixing process, known as fanning, is done with a wooden paddle or spoon. This allows the rice to cool down and absorb the vinegar mixture evenly, while also preserving the integrity of the grains. The result should be a bed of glossy, slightly sticky rice that is both flavorful and visually appealing, ready to serve as the perfect canvas for the colorful array of toppings. Selecting the right fish is crucial. Look for sashimi-grade fish, which signifies that it has been handled and frozen to specific standards to ensure its safety for raw consumption. Popular choices for chirashi don include tuna, salmon, yellowtail, and mackerel. Chef Kenji as Chef Kenji. Each fish offers a unique flavor and texture, contributing to the overall complexity of the dish. Once you have chosen your fish, it's time to slice it into sashimi. This requires a sharp knife and a delicate touch. The goal is to create thin, uniform slices that are both visually appealing and easy to eat. The arrangement of the sashimi atop the rice is another art form, with chefs often creating intricate patterns and designs that enhance the aesthetic appeal of the dish.